Rebuttal. The necessity of new legislation beyond existing laws. The assertion that attempting to or actually having sex with a minor, human trafficking, kidnapping, and false imprisonment are already felonies and thus negate the need for new legislation overlooks several critical aspects of legal and social dynamics. While it's true that these acts are felonies, the argument fails to consider the nuanced and evolving nature of law enforcement, victim protection, and societal needs. Here are key points that highlight the importance of new legislation. 1. Addressing loopholes and modern challenges. Existing laws, while foundational, may not account for the complexities of modern criminal activities. New bills can address specific loopholes, enhance penalties, and provide clear guidelines for emerging forms of crime, especially those facilitated by technology. For instance, the rise of online grooming and exploitation necessitates specific provisions that older laws might not comprehensively cover. 2. Enhanced protection and support for victims. New legislation can offer enhanced protection measures for victims. This can include improved victim support services, better reporting mechanisms, and specialized training for law enforcement to handle sensitive cases. These provisions are essential for ensuring that victims receive the care and justice they deserve. 3. Updating and strengthening legal frameworks. The legal framework must evolve to reflect societal changes and the increasing sophistication of criminal networks. New bills can update definitions, close gaps in the legal process, and ensure that the judicial system remains robust and capable of effectively prosecuting offenders. 4. Preventive measures and public awareness. New laws can incorporate preventive measures such as education and public awareness campaigns that older statutes might not mandate. These initiatives can help in reducing the incidence of crimes by informing the public and potential victims about risks and protective actions. 5. Addressing discriminatory enforcement concerns. The fear of discriminatory enforcement among the LGBTQ+ community is not unfounded. Historical and ongoing biases in law enforcement mean that new legislation must explicitly address these concerns to ensure fair and equitable application of the law. New bills can include provisions for oversight and accountability to prevent misuse and ensure that enforcement is based on justice, not prejudice. 6. Comprehensive legal approaches. The introduction of new bills can provide a more comprehensive legal approach, integrating various aspects of criminal justice, social services, and public policy. This holistic approach can be more effective in tackling complex social issues than relying solely on fragmented and outdated statutes. Conclusion. While enforcing existing laws is undeniably crucial, it is equally important to recognize that the legal system must evolve to address contemporary challenges comprehensively. New legislation can provide the necessary tools and frameworks to enhance victim protection, close legal loopholes, prevent crimes, and ensure fair enforcement. The fear of discriminatory enforcement among marginalized communities underscores the need for laws that explicitly safeguard against such biases, fostering a more just and equitable society. Thus, the point of new bills is not redundancy, but refinement and reinforcement of our legal and social systems.